Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost FPS on Kingdom Come Deliverance 2, how you can fix FPS drops, how you can fix lagging, stuttering, and freezing, and how you can optimize performance basically without any downloads on your computer, just only with your Windows and in-game settings. So first we'll go with Windows settings, and then I will show you what you need to change in-game to get best results. First of all, what I suggest to do here always for all people is to go to settings. Then you need to go to Windows Update and update your operating system. Next thing, what I suggest to do here is to go to your GPU app. I use Nvidia, so I have an Nvidia app. I can go to drivers, and here it will be drivers that I need to download and install it. If there is some new ones, then I just need to restart my computer. Next thing, what I suggest you to do always before you play the game, go to Task Manager, then go to Processes, sort it out by CPU and GPU heavy apps, and then end all the tasks that you don't use while you play the game. And then go to Startup Apps and disable almost everything here. Because when computer starts, all the apps that is enabled starts as well. Basically, and your computer resources will be used a lot. So just disable all of them, or just leave with some that you use often, and then we can proceed with other steps. If you want to play this game with Discord, what I suggest to do here on Discord is to go to the gear icon here, then go to, as you can see here, Advanced, and then disable this option, right? And now we can go with other steps. If you're using Nvidia, right-click on your monitor, show more options, Nvidia control panel, and then we need to wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. But here, first, what we need to do here is to go to change resolution, make sure the right monitor is selected and maximum hertz is selected here. Then go to configure surround and 5x, make sure processor, under the processor, your GPU is selected. Then go to manage 3D settings, scroll down a bit until you see monitor technology, make sure it's G-Sync compatible, open GDI compatibility, prefer performance, open GL rendering GPU, your dedicated GPU here. Power management mode, make sure prefer maximum performance, prefer refresh rate, make sure highest available. Then texture filtering and the subtropic sample options, make sure it's on. Texture filtering quality, make sure it's high performance, and texture filtering, trilinear optimization and threaded optimization, make sure it's on. And then VSync, make sure is off with virtual reality pre-rendered frames, make sure it's too, right? Then you can close this, go on search, go to settings. On settings, go to gaming, then go to game bar, make sure game bar is disabled. Then go back, game mode, make sure game mode is enabled as well. Then go to services, click on one of the tasks here and press S until you see, as you can see here, sysmain. So right click on it, stop it, then right click again, properties, startup type, and make sure it's disabled. And then you can close this window, then go to Steam, right click on your game, then go to properties, then installed files and browse. And here we need to find the exe file, so it's under bin, then Win64 Master Steam PGO, and then here you should find kingdom.com.exe file. Right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure to disable full screen optimizations, then change high DPI settings, override high DPI scaling behavior, and select application, apply, okay, and then copy the path of your exe file here. Then you can close this window, go and minimize Steam if you want to. Go on search and look for graphics settings. In graphics settings, make sure advanced graphics settings is selected, expand this option, then make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. Then what you need to do here next is to press add a desktop app and paste the path that we just copied. Then go and find kingdom.com.exe, add, and then you need to find on the list here. Press on it, then select GPU performance, GPU preference to high performance, and also optimizations for Windows games should be enabled, right? And then you can close this window here. Then on search, write edit power plan, and on edit power plan, go to power options, then select ultimate performance. If ultimate performance not available for you, select high performance and close this window here. Then on search, you just need to write view advanced system settings. And on this window here, you need to tweak a few settings as well. So the first one is you need to go to advanced. Under performance, you should see settings, press on that, then select custom here, and then only leave these 3 tasks available here. Save taskbar, show thumbnails and smooth edges. Then go to advanced tab, select virtual memory, change, then select the disk where your game is installed. For me is disk E. Then deselect automatically manage paging size here. Then select custom size, and then first of all we need to know our RAM. So go to system information and look for how much RAM do you have on your computer. In my case, it's 16 gigabytes of RAM. So we need to know this number. Then open up calculator, and you need to calculate a few things, but don't worry, it's super easy. So you just need to put your RAM value times 1024 and times the number that you get, you need to multiply by 1.5. And the number that you get here, you need to put to initial size. So 24,576. Then maximum size, you need to put your RAM value again, times 1024 times 3, right? And the number that you get here, you need to put the maximum amount on maximum size, right? And then just apply and OK, right? And after that, what you need to do here next is to go to system configuration here, then look for a services, make sure hide all Microsoft services is enabled, and then end all the tasks that you don't use. For example, I don't use EA apps while I play this game, so I just can deselect all these apps that I don't use, and then hit play, hit OK, right? So be sure to do that. Then what you need to do next is to open up a press Windows and key, or simply write run. And then on this window here, you need to write %10%. And then here, just select all the files and delete all the temporary files. Some files you cannot delete, so don't worry about it, just leave it there. And after that, you need to go to storage settings. And then on storage settings, make sure temporary files is selected, and also delete everything here except maybe download folders, and then remove all the files as well. And then you just need to run the game. And once you run the game, open up Task Manager. I will show you with a different app because it's more convenient for me, but for you it should be Kingdom Come Dead.exe. In my case, it'd be Steam. Under the processes, you just need to look for Kingdom, then right click, go to details, then you should find kingdom.come.exe. Right click again, set priority, and make it to high. And now we can go to in-game settings. And in game settings, you just need to go to settings, graphics settings, then make sure native resolution is selected, make sure window mode is full screen, make sure overall image quality is custom, show FPS you can turn on if you want to look, basically turn on your FPS in game. VSync is off, frame rate limit, make sure it matches with your monitors, right? So for me is 240. Then game gamma correction, personal preference, horizontal POV, also preference, personal preference. Then resolution scaling, make sure it's FSR, mode quality, sharpness preference, personal preference, motion blur, and near DOF is off. You can confirm this. Then advanced graphics settings, make sure object quality medium, particles low, lightning, global illumination, post-process quality is medium, shader quality high, shadows low, textures high, and if it's lagging, then make it to medium. Volumetric effects detail medium, vegetation detail low, character detail medium, and confirm the changes. And that's basically it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.